Active 5 enables over 100 full-body, no-impact isometric workouts in seated, standing, and advanced positions. To understand isometrics, let's first look at a classic bicep curl with repetitions. An isometric version of this bicep exercise would have you hold the weight still, with your bicep firing as you hold the weight during a resistance period. But weights aren't required with isometrics. You can have your own muscles create resistance. Here, one arm applies opposing pressure to the other, acting as resistance weight. This is one of the reasons why short isometric workouts are so effective. Half of your body is working out against the other half, doubling your effort. But you can't effectively train, understand your total weight lifted, or measure results using just your hands. That's where Active 5 comes in. Active 5 measures your force in pounds and tracks your performance gains using proprietary technology developed over 5 years with millions of dollars. Active 5 measures your applied pressure and sends it to the Active 5 mobile app via Bluetooth. Active 5 calibrates each exercise to your unique strength level and dynamically personalizes over 100 workouts to your ability. This is why Active 5 is perfect for any age and any fitness level. The Active 5 mobile app will coach you through each exercise. By adopting the correct pose and applying varying amounts of pressure on Active 5, you'll follow each coaching curve like a game. In fact, you can download many Active 5 games and enjoy the benefits of exercise while having fun. Active 5 workouts aren't only fun, they're easy to learn, and about 5 minutes in length, so you can stay active throughout the day and keep your metabolism burning. At home, on the go, or at the office. With over 100 workouts for every muscle group, you can choose from sitting, standing, or advanced yoga or Pilates positions. The Active 5 app tracks your results and improvement over time. Oh, and one more thing. It comes with one replaceable AAA battery that lasts 6 to 12 months, so there's no need for daily charging. Active 5 is portable, convenient, and easy to use, so you can exercise anywhere.
Now you can increase your fitness performance when you're on the road as if you were in the gym. Look at that, there you go. A little inner thigh burn?
Yeah.
Active 5 workouts are personalized to your individual strength level, and the Active 5 companion app tracks your progress. When you're on the road and the hotel doesn't have a gym, Active 5 lets you get in a high-effective isometrics workout like this one here. Active 5 isometrics are different. It's portable and it offers a lot of flexibility with standing, seated, and advanced exercises. The workouts are planned for you. You just follow the coaching app. Ladies, we all want toned underarms so we can go sleeveless with confidence. Guys, you'd love to be stronger, right? Well, this workout will tone and define your arms while building strength. In addition to working major muscle groups, a big benefit of isometric exercise is being able to incorporate all the minor muscle groups that don't typically get activated during a gym workout. This is the power of isometric exercise and the power of Active 5.
Introducing Bite Helper. Bite Helper is the itch terminator. Mosquitoes can ruin anyone's day. When a mosquito bites, it injects its saliva into your blood. That's what causes the itch and makes you scratch.
A mosquito bit me.
Show me.
It itches.
Don't worry, I've got Bite Helper.
Bite Helper's thermal pulse technology works on neutralizing the itch with heat and vibration. Bite Helper can stop the itch. Bite Helper utilizes proprietary thermal pulse technology that delivers heat and vibration to the affected area.
How's the itch?
The itch is gone. Wow, Bite Helper really works.
Bite Helper is chemical and drug-free. Terminate the itch. Mosquitoes are everywhere. No one can escape their annoying bites. Bite Helper gives you the power to terminate the itch of mosquito bites for yourself and your loved ones.
Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install. And I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive. But you can open your door without it, like this. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame. Ta-da!